Hello, I am Dr. Gajendra Purohit. You are watching YouTube channel where I upload videos for engineering mathematics B.Sc students. If you are preparing for any competitive exam where higher mathematics is asked, our YouTube channel is very helpful. Today we will discuss about interpolation with unequal interval. For unequal intervals, there are two concepts. One is Lagrange and one is Newton divided difference. About Lagrange, I have uploaded a full video. If you haven't seen it, you can see. Now here, a question is being asked in exam. You will be given values for unequal interval and it will ask you that find the value of this by using Lagrange interpolation formula, by using Newton divided difference, whatever you are told. So that you have to apply in the exam, right? Basically by exact name, they ask question in the exam. So students, today we will talk about how to calculate the value of Newton divided difference. So let's start. So here let's discuss about interpolation for unequal interval. When the values of variables are not equidistant, then following two formulas are mainly used. First is Newton divided difference, second Lagrange interpolation formula. I already told you Lagrange. Here, let me give you a small example, students. Suppose we have x and here we have fx, right? Here, students, let's say the value of 100 is given as 1005 and here at 103 the value is given as 1050, and here students, the value of 107 is given as 1200, and here students, this is 10 and let's take 9 here, the value which is given here students, it is 1400, and here students, you are being asked to find the value of F106. So you are being told that find value of F102, clear. That on F102, what will be its value? Meaning at 102, what is the value of Fx? So here it's an equal interval. Here we have difference of 3, here difference is of 4, and here we have difference of 2. So here, in such cases, either we use Newton divided difference or we use Lagrange. Now you will be told in question that you have to use this, so you have to apply this there and calculate it. So today I will tell you how to find this value by Newton divided difference. It is important to understand the difference table. What is difference table? So what we just said before, that x and fx, we will write it like this. Then what we have is the difference between these two, which is divided by this difference, right? We will calculate this, and here we have del fx, clear? We need to understand this. We denote it as fx0, x1. This difference divided by this difference will come here. Then this difference divided by this difference will come here. Then this difference divided by this difference will come here. Like this way we will calculate del square fx. What will happen? The difference between these two and difference between these two, here in middle gap will come. Let's try to explain this with an example, students. Without example, you won't understand things. So let's take an example and try to understand it through that. Okay, students, suppose we have x given here and we have fx given here. Let's say we have a value given here. So 10 is given here, 12 here, 13 here, then 17 here, and let's say we have 19 here. Right, students? So according to this, we have the value given here. Let's say this is given as 100, this is 110, this is 120, this is given as 150, and this is 170. Let's say this value is given. Now you are being asked to create difference table. What is the concept of Newton divided difference? We will calculate del fx. What happens here is the difference between these two, pay attention. What will be the value here? If we see, then the difference between these two is 110 minus 100 upon 12 minus 10, you need to pay attention. This minus this divided by this minus this. From here, the value we will get is 10 by 2, meaning this will become 5. In the same way, we will calculate its value here. We will calculate its value. How much will it come? It will be 120 minus 110 divided by 13 minus 2. How much this will come? It's 10. If we calculate value like this, it will be 150 minus 120. Divided by this will be 17 minus 30 here. Is it clear? So here this will be 30, right? And I think below it will be 4. Okay. So I think the value we have here is 4. So from here, the value we will get is 30 by 4. Here we will find its value. How will we calculate its value? So this will come here as this minus this. That is 170 minus 150 divided by this will be 19 minus 17, right? From here, its value will be 20 by 2, which means 10. Clear? So this will be the value here. Next, we will discuss what will be the value of del square fx. What is this difference? 10 minus 5. This difference will come according to this. We will move here. So difference of these two will come. This needs understanding. So here 13 minus 10 will come, right? A gap of 1 will come. Now we will discuss this. This will come here 30 by 4 minus 10 divided by, here for these two, this will come 17 minus 12. Clear? This will come. Like this in the same way if we talk about this. So this will be 10 minus 30 by 4 divided by, this will come 19 minus 13. You need to understand this. Clear, students? Now, what will be the value here? Pay attention. It will be 5 by 3. Now we will calculate its value. So the value that will come, it will be minus, this is 17. So this will be minus 10 by 4 is equal to upon. From here, how much this will come, students? 5 will come. Clear? Here this will be the value, right? Similarly, when we talk about this, it will be 40 and this will be 10 by 4 divided by. Here what will come below? It's 6. So in this way we can calculate its value, right? We will continue in the same way. If I tell you that del cube, in del cube, fx difference between these two will come. Here we will discuss 2 and I think minus 1 by 2 is coming. So its value that will come, it will be minus 1 by 2. How much this will come? Pay attention. This will be, let me tell you the value by calculation. The difference between these two, it will be minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 3, right? This minus this divided by. Here the difference will be of 2. So we will subtract this and this. So it means we will have 17 minus 10. Is it clear? In the same way, if you talk about this, then it will be 5 and this will be 12. The value that we will have here, it will be 5 by 12, right? This will come as 5 by 12 minus. So this is minus already. So minus minus will become plus. Divided by this minus this, this minus this. So 19 minus what will come here? 12 will come. So in this way we create table for this. When we make next column, difference between these two and first and last one, gradually we increase the gap by 1. Then we have formula. Here we use the formula and solve it. You should know how to create table. This is called difference table. I will give you question with formula that will help you understand. Here try to understand formula. It is fx is equal to fx0 x minus x0 into del fx0. X minus x0 into x minus x1 del square fx0. Like this way formula is created here, right? Now a question will arise in your mind. How to solve the question? I will take a question here. There is this given to us x and fx. Here we are given that the value of x is 4, 5, 7, 10, 11 and 13, right? This is the value of x which is given. So according to this, this is given here 48, 100 to 94 and this is 900, this is 1210 and this is 2028. Right, students? Is it clear? Now students, here you are being asked to find the value of f8 and f15. You have to calculate values of these two here. What will you do? You will create a difference table. Now how is a difference table made? Try to understand here. You will write x here and then here we will write its fx. Here this will come, students, 4, 5, 7, 10, 11 and 13. According to this, we have this value here which is coming to be 48, 100, 294, 900, 1210 and 2028. From here the value we will get. It will be del fx. We will get difference between these two. The difference between these two will be 52. Right, and here the value that will come. It will be 1 below, so it will be 52. Now the difference between these two is 194. Divided by 2 is what we are getting, right? 7 minus 5 goes to 94 minus 100 divided by 7 minus 5. So this will come from here. The value we get, it will be 97, right? Now we calculate this. So 900, students, the next value that we will get here, it will be 900 minus 294 divided by. Here 10 minus 7 will come. Students, from here we will see its value. So it will be 606 divided by 3. It will come as 202. 202 will come. Now we will discuss next thing here. What will be the next value that we will have? Next what we will have? This will be 1210 minus 900 divided by 11 minus 10. So 1 is coming and above. It will be 310, right? So this will be 310. Now we will calculate the difference. So 2028 minus 1210 divided by 13 minus 11. Okay, students. So from here the value which will come, I think the value will be 8 and 818 divided by 2, right, students? So here we will have 409, right, students? This value that will come, it will be 409. So in this way we will keep making the table. So next we have del square fx. The del square fx that will come, what will come? I am trying to explain. What will be value of del square fx? It's the difference between these two. It would be 97 minus 52 and here gap of 1 will come. This will come here 7 minus 4, right? So from here the value that we will get, it will be 45 upon 3, right? And here this value we have how much it will be? 15, right students? Like this we will see this one, it will be 202 minus 97 divided by, now we will see its difference, right? So here this will be 10 minus 5. So here this will come as, the value of this will be 105. It will be upon 5, now I think it will become 21. Clear? Like this way we will see this. It will come here as 310 minus 202 divided by, now we will see here this. We will keep doing one difference, right? 11 minus 7 will come. So from here we have the value. It will be 108 divided by 4, right students? Right? So from here we will have 2 and 7. That's 27. Clear? You need to pay attention here. Like this, the next value we will get, it will be 409 minus 310 divided by, and then we will see this difference. So this will be 13 minus 10. Okay. So from here we will have its value. It will be 99 divided by 3. So what do we have here? It will be 33, right? Now, next we will make it here, the next value that we will have, it will be del cube fx. Now, this difference is 21 minus 15. Here del cube will come, and we are calculating value of del cube. First we took difference of these two, then for these two. Now we will take this difference, that is 10 minus 4, right? So this value that we will get here, this will be 6 upon 6, that is equal to 1. So this will be the value here. Next we will talk about this. So this will be 27 minus 21. Here we will take this gap. We have to do difference of 2, right? So this will be 11 minus 5. So this will be 6 upon 6. That is again 1. So again this will be 1 here. Now students, it will be 33 minus 27 divided by, here we will take this difference. Then this will be 13 minus 7. This will also come as 6 by 6. That is equal to 1. This will also be what here? It will become 1. So students, next we will move on and we'll talk about del 4 fx here. So here directly this will be 0 for us because we have 0 above, and so I think we don't need to calculate the value further, right? Now we will use this formula. How do we use it? We need to understand this. Let's use formula. And what is it? Fx is equal to, here one more thing needs to be understood. So students, this is what we have. We have x0 and this is x1. This is x2, this is x3, this is x4, and this is x5, right? So we have x0, which means, so what we will have here, what will come here? F4 will come. And plus this will come x minus 4 into, here it will be del F4. Is it clear, students? Plus this will be x minus 4, x minus 5, right? X minus x1, you see it right. Into del square, F4 will come, right? And plus, students, this will be x minus 4, x minus 5 and x minus 7 into del cube, F4 will come, right students? But when we see further, del 4 is already 0 here. So there is no need to write, meaning we will write it up to here. Clear? You need to understand this. Now I want to tell you that if this is F4, pay attention. If this is 4, then this will be F4, this will be del F4, and this will be del square F4. This will be del cube F4, you need to pay attention. Is it clear? Now what we will do, here we will put the value of this. So here we have fx is equal to, first we will find its polynomial, the value of f4 here is 48 plus x minus 4 into, this is what we have, 52, plus in this we will have x minus 4 into x minus 5, right students? So the value that is coming here, how much is it? It is 15, and plus this will come as x minus 4, x minus 5, x minus 7 into what will come here? It will be 1. Pay attention, rest further is 0. Next you will put, it will be 0 in multiplication, further will also be 0. So you need to calculate till here. Now this comes, what is it asking? It's asking what is the value of f8. So we'll put the value of f8 because we need the value of 8. So wherever there is x, put 8 there. So this will be 48 plus. What we will do here, 8 minus 4 into, this will come here as 52. Then students, here we will do plus. Here we will keep 8 and 8 minus 4. 8 minus 5 into 15 will come. Plus this will be 8 minus 4. 8 minus 5, 8 minus 7, right students? Into 1 will come, right? If we solve this, then from here we will get the answer 448. If we are told to find the value of f15, then wherever there is x, we will put 15, so it will be 48. If we put 15 here, then 15 minus 4 is 11 into 52, right? Like this, we'll see 15 here. 15 minus 4 is 11. See 15 here, so it will be 10, and this will be 15. Clear? Like this, we will put it here, 15 minus 4 is 11. This is 10. Here, if we subtract 7 from 15, it will be 8 into 1. When we calculate its value, the answer will be 3150. In this way, we can easily calculate its value here, and like this we apply the formula here. I'll explain example so concept is clear. If you are preparing for CSIR NET IIT-JAM exam, our books are available on Amazon and Flipkart. You can buy them. This is a very good book for practicing question now. The following value of function fx for values, x given f1 is 4, f2 is 5, f7 is 5. f8 is equal to 4. Find the value of f6. Here how we will do this, if we are asked to find value of Newton divided difference, then this will be x. This will be fx here. What do we do? The value of x is 1. This inside 1 is x value. This will be 7, then this will be 8. This value is given. Now the corresponding value here is 4, right? On 1 it's 4, on 2 it's 5, right? We will write this here, then this will be 5 and this will be 4. This value will be here. Now we will calculate del fx. What does del fx do? This difference divided by this difference, 5 minus 4 is 1, this 1, it will be 1. This difference divided by this difference, this is 0, meaning nothing, and this difference divided by this difference. What will come? 4 minus 5 divided by 8 minus 7, so this is minus 1. Clear? Now in the same way, we will talk about del square fx. So what will come here? This minus this, right? Let me explain if we try to understand the difference and understand the table. From here, what would be the value? This needs to be understood. This will be 0 minus 1 and divided by difference between. These two students makes mistakes here. From here, the value that we will get, it would be minus 1 by 6. Clear? Like this, if we talk about it, then minus 1 minus 0, right? Divided by this difference here, that is 8 minus 2, right? So this will be minus 1 by 6 here, right? Here what do we have? We have minus 1 by 6. In this way, when we discuss del cube fx, here this minus this, it will become 0 anyways. It does not have any meaning, right? What is being asked here? Find the value of fx. First, we have to find the polynomial. You are asked to find value of f6. What we do is we apply formula. Before applying the formula, I want to tell you that this is what we have. This is x0, this is x1, this is x2, and this is x3. What is the formula that we have? We need to understand formula. Okay, students, so we have this formula here, right, which is fx is equal to fx0 plus x minus x0 del fx0 plus x minus x0 x minus x1, students. This will be del square fx0 plus x minus x0 x minus x1, x minus x2, and this will be del cube fx0, right? Like this, our formula keeps on going, right? So students, what we will do here, if we talk about it, then fx is equal to fx where x0 is 1. So we will get f1, right, plus x minus 1 into del f1 plus x minus 1 into x minus 2. This will be del square f here. What will come here? It will be 1, right, students? Plus x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 7, and del cube f1 will come. We will do it this way here, right? Now what we will do is, we will put the values, okay? If we put the value, how much it will be? This will be fx is equal to, this is our f1 value, this is del f1, and this is del square f1's value, and this is del cube f1's value, right? So we will put this value here. Now the value of f1 is coming 4 plus x minus 1. This is coming as 1. And this is coming here x minus 1, x minus 2 into minus 1 by 6. Okay. Next we have 0. So next term will be what? It will be 0, right? Fx is equal to, this will come as 4 plus x minus 1. We will simplify this. X square minus 3x plus 2 into minus 1 by 6 will come, right? Now what we will do? If we simplify this, what we can do? We can take LCM of 6 here, right? So we take the LCM of 6. So we will take the LCM of 6. We will get 24 plus 6x minus 6. And from here we will get minus x square plus 3x minus 2. Clear, students? Now when we will calculate its value, this will come out as minus x square, then 3x and 6x. This will be 9x. And so here we have minus 6 and 8. Okay, so this will be 16 divided by 6. So students, what would we have here? Polynomial will come, or you can take 6 as LCM, or you can take 6 out and put it inside bracket. Now they are asking what is the value of f6. Wherever you see x, put 6 there. This will be minus 6 square plus 9 into 6 plus 16 divided by what do we have here? We have 6. From here the value we get will be minus 36 plus. So this will be 54 plus 16 divided by here 6 will come. So here this will be, students, 16, 70, and from 70 minus 36. Then I think it will be 34 by 6. 34 by 6 means 17 by 3. What will we get? Answer will come like this. We solve it. we calculated polynomial, we can find from it, and we calculated from here, then we find from here. Let's move forward. What does the next question says? Find a polynomial satisfied by minus 4, 1, 2, 4, 5, minus 1, 33, and 0, 5, and 2, 9. By Newton divided difference, calculate polynomial. We will put minus 4, minus 1, 0, and 2, and 1, 2, 4, 5, 33, 5, 9. This difference divided by this difference, this will come. This difference divided by this difference will come. This difference divided by this difference, this will come. This difference divided by these two difference. This will be 94. So this difference divided by this difference of these two will be this. Similarly, this difference divided by these two difference, that we will have minus 14. For example, if I take out minus 14, it will be 10 minus 94 divided by 2 minus 4. If we solve this, it will be minus 14, clear? So in this way, what will happen here? A table will be made. Now what we need to do here, we will calculate polynomial by Newton divided difference. So what we'll do is first we write x0, x1, x. So this is x0, this is x1, this is x2, and this is x3. What we will do here, first we will write down its formula. Now what is the formula that we have, students? Fx is equal to fx0 plus x minus x0. It is del fx0 plus x minus x0. X minus x1, and students here this will be del square fx0 plus x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2. So students, this will be del cube, right? Fx0 like this way, we write its value here. What we do is we put the value directly, so fx is equal to fx0. Here this is x0 corresponding to this is fx0 here. So students, this will be 1, 2, 4, 5 plus x minus x0. So this will become plus 4. And what will be the value of del fx0 here? It will be minus 404 plus x plus 4 into x minus x1, it is minus 1. Then it becomes plus 1 because minus minus becomes plus, right? And this will be 94, clear. Like this we will put the next, then this will come. X plus 4, x plus 1, and x minus x2. This will be 0 here, so this will be x minus 0 into del cube. This will be what? It will be minus 14. So students, this is the value that we have, right? If we simplify it, it will be 1, 2, 4, 5. So from here, its value will be minus 404x. And here this will be 4. So I think here it will be minus 16, right students? And here this will be 1616, right? So this will be the value we have. Now, we will simplify this once. So x square plus 5x plus 4 into, here this will be 94. We will take its value from here, this will come here, and we will multiply x. It will come x cube plus 5x square plus 4x into here, it will be minus 14. Then what we will do here, fx is equal to, look at x cube term. With x cube term, minus 14 is multiplied. This will come. We will see what is coming with x square term. So we will take x square common here. From here we get 94. This will be 14 into 5 is 70, minus 70 will be here. This will be coefficient of x square. We will see where does the coefficient of x will come. So the coefficient of x is coming to be minus 404. And here we have 94 into 5, right? So 94 into 5, it will be 470. So 470 will be here, clear, and from here we have 14 into 4 is 56 minus 56. So this will be minus 56. This will be coefficient of x here. Now let's see at last what is coming as constant. It should be 1245. So this will be minus 1616 here. This will be 94 into 4. So here this will be 6 and students. 9 into 4 is 36 and plus 1 is 37. So this is the value of this. We will simplify this. Fx is equal to minus 14x cube. Now students, if we subtract this from here, then we will get 24x square, and from here the value that we will get. And here minus 60 is coming, so it is plus 10x. This is the value we will have here. If we simplify this, what do we get? 5. So this is the value of fx here. When you want to check if there is any mistake, what will you do is wherever there is x, put 0 there and see. When putting value of x as 0, value of fx will be 5. If we put minus 1 instead of x, we will get approx 33. Exact value may be 33. Like this way, we can check the answer here. For this question, how much time did it take you to solve? Let me know in comment section. Please comment. If you want to watch complete playlist like this and other videos of numerical analysis, then find complete playlist here. If you are preparing for CSIR NET GATE or IIT-JAM exam and want to improve general aptitude, you can watch these videos here for the channel. You can subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.